Today, I'll show you how to turn voice chat on and off on FC25. So begin by launching the game and go to the home page. Then press the R2 button on your controller or the tab button on your keyboard. Then from here, press the options button on your controller or press the F3 button on your keyboard. Then scroll down and find the voice option. Select that and then find voice chat. So by default it's turned on, it's enabled rather. So to enable it, select enable voice chat. To disable it, select disable voice chat, and you'll see a notification voice chat has been disabled. So to enable, just select that one, and to disable, select that one. So that's basically how to turn on voice chat and off on FC25. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.